Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Worship Moments. I'm your host, James, and this is your worship moment. I'm going to be coming from Philippians 4:8. Finally, brothers, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is just, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is commendable, if there be any excellence, if there be any worthy of praise, think on these things. Guys, listen up. The more you think on anything, the more you become it. The more you become anything, it's because you've imagined it to be so for so long. So at the end of the day, what are you thinking on? Are you thinking about the troubles? Are you thinking about the issues of life? Or are you thinking on the things that Christ would have us think on? Pure, love, gentleness. Guys, think on those things. Again, whatever you think the most of, you will become. This is your worship moment. I'm James, and we'll see you next time.